if your enterprise branch or facility is served through satellite internet, that poses some interesting challenges for quality of experience and profitability, CapEx challenges, etc. for your enterprise. Some of those things AppLogic Networks can help you with. Let's look at how that works. So if you have a mining facility, or a military base, a research station, a forestry base, a school, something that is rural and served through satellite internet. Then you have staff, you have vehicles, you have equipment, and those are being served by a combination of wired and Wi-Fi networks. The access points come together in a network, and that network is then being served by a satellite dish that goes up to the satellite, comes down again to a ground station. A lot of the time that ground station will run its traffic through an AppLogic Networks box before it hits the internet. But as an enterprise, you want to manage this part of the network and make it run as good as it can, securely, etc. So if you put an AppLogic Networks box on your facility, there's 4 things we should be doing. Number 1, we should be measuring QoE. What quality of experience are we giving to the critical applications, the critical equipment, the critical users, critical locations? Is it good enough, or can it be improved? Number 2, if it's not perfect, which it's not going to be, we should be prioritizing critical apps, critical users, critical locations. The way we do that is either through a mechanism called tagging, where critical packets will be tagged with a different code point, and on the upstream, the satellite terminal will respect that tag and send them out before the non-critical packets. And with shapers and tagging as well on the downstream, the same mechanism will happen on the access points. When there's congestion in the RF, the important packets will be sent out before the non-critical ones. So prioritizing critical things is number 2. Number 3 is, whenever you have humans, you will have things that are questionable or even against your policy or against the law happening. So we call that acceptable use policy, but essentially it's blocking. Blocking things that shouldn't be there. Apps that are not allowed, sites that are not allowed, things that are against your corporate policy, or things that are against the law. Take that out. And number 4 is the humans are also doing recreational traffic. It is allowed, most likely, to do social media, to do Netflix video, download games, etc. But don't let it interfere with the critical traffic, but also don't let it be the reason why you have to upgrade these links and upgrade a local network and incur costs just because of recreational traffic. Keep it under control. So limit recreational. If you do these 4 things, you will notice that your networks run much smoother, fewer complaints, lower cost, you can sweat the assets for longer, and the return on investment is really strong. That's how AppLogic Networks make enterprise networks better.